Hello friend, welcome back to another video. This is Shafiq and you are watching my YouTube channel Mobile Info RYK. In this video I tell you about that how you can use Face ID to install app from App Store. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First open your App Store and select any app that you want to install in your iPhone. Here I choose Golden Temple game to install in my iPhone. Click on install. Now you can see here appear on screen App Store asking for Apple ID password. How to use Face ID as an alternate of Apple ID password? Go back and click on Setting app. Scroll down and click here Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. You can see appear on screen the second option, iTunes and App Store. Sign it with Apple ID password. Enter here Apple ID password and click on OK. After that, now we go back on Setting app and select screen time. Now you can see appear on screen the last option, content and privacy restriction. Content and privacy restriction, turn it on and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Here we can see in the last two options, don't require, and go back. Content and privacy restrictions, turn it off and go back. Open App Store again and choose any app that you want to install in your iPhone. Confirm with slide button. So you can see here Face ID is used for App Store to download apps. You can also able to download apps from App Store to use Face ID. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.